Welcome and welcome back to the channel. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designz, and today we're gonna go over what I made in the months of March and April. Yeah, we're gonna do a little time travel because life was just lifing. So the first garment I actually made in February, but because it was still in testing mode, I couldn't show it to you. So I'm gonna show it to you today. So this is the Party Peplum top, and this is a indie pattern by D, and I love everything about this. This pattern does have cuffs, sleeve cuffs. My first time making a sleeve cuff, and I think it turned out just great. It does have buttons down the front, and she has recently done a hack where she did this with a zipper. There's the back. And this nice little peplum piece. I love it. Okay, so this was from February. Okay, and then in one of my Make It Monday series, I did a denim bucket hat. And this is the hat. Love it, love it, love it. Then the next Make It Monday series, I did a tote, and this is that tote, and I actually love it. I love how it turned out, and I actually just keep some fabric scraps and things in this right now. And there is a pocket on the inside. And the next thing is the kids button-up A-line skirt. This is a skirt that I made for one of my cousin's daughters. This actually is the second one. The first one was a little too short for her, so one of her other sisters has it. So I did just remake this one, and it has pretty little shimmery purple buttons on it with cute little sayings for the time. And it has two front pockets, one there and one here. And the back of the waistband is elastic. Okay, and then for the next one, I'm just going to insert a picture here. I made this top to go with her skirt. It's called the Lucky Clover pattern, and both of these patterns are from Ellie and Mac, and you can go on their website and pick up these patterns if you so choose. There's a link in the description if you'd like, but I really loved sewing both of these for her. She has worn the top and enjoyed it. Then the next make is Me ME2046. This is the dress with the split that comes almost to the waistline. It is at the high hip. It's pretty long. I love this dress. It is soft, comfortable, just the right length, and has the right amount of detailing for me. I like the neckband on this and the ruching on the sleeves. And if you want a full review, there is a full review of this pattern on my channel. The next piece is the Barbie top, which is a charms pattern by Gertie. I love everything about this top. I love the fit. I love the way it feels. I love everything about this top. It is so form flattering and very classic and chic. My most favorite thing about this top is the collar. I love the way it just snaps on and it lays really nicely, as well as the 3/4 sleeves. And here it is in the back. Just an overall very nice, chic, and smooth look. This next piece is the Francie top. It is a charms pattern by Gertie, and I absolutely love the style of this garment. I like the dolman sleeves on this. It is just so classy, so nice, so wonderful. And then the neckline It's made to sit like this. I mean, like, it's just gorgeous. I love it. That just about wraps up everything that I made in the months of March and April. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for more sewing content like this. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.